it's playing. Um, so I just want to review my Glock 10. Cool gun I play with. It's pretty handy, and first let's talk about the magazine. The magazine here. It's at the bottom, it's pretty big. It's actually a light gun, it's not heavy at all. But you know, so this part, okay, so, but the only thing, when I remove the bullets, it all goes out, so I have to cover it like this. Yeah, I got one bullet out, so yeah. BB bullet. Okay. For now, I'm going to review guns instead, because, you know, the other toy is pretty boring. Well, I might review Lego. And yeah, this is the magazine. Nothing really used to it. Hold on, let me do something. Okay, yeah, nothing really used to it. It just looks normal magazine. It's normal. Now let's get into the gun. Right, the gun. Easy to cock. They're easy to cock. Well, I can't cock with this, so I have to do this. There, it's cocked. We're going to do a shooting test. Nah, maybe. Alright, so it has this aiming thing. Let's see if you guys can see this aiming. Right there, the aimings. Okay, also the gun, it has a thumb holder, so when you know, just go into a like that, and you just put your thumb here and do that. Right, so now let's do a firing test. Let me get something. I'll be back. Sorry, guys. Alright, so now we have this. I've got this from the sofa. I'm gonna put it here and stand the paper here. Right? Let's get a piece of paper. Okay. Right. So get the piece of paper. I'll show you guys how it so later I'll just put the camera thing right there. Right, so I'm just going to fire a couple shots. Ready, fire. That's one. That's the second. Third. That's the fourth. Fifth. That's all the bullets I have. And all the bullets landed down here. So this is the paper. All of them are destroyed. I got a middle shot. Well, right here. So hope you guys enjoy my review. I know it's kind of boring because I don't make a lot of cool videos. Okay, bye. That's it.